Cross-Sectional Study. Step-by-step guide. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a nursing student, researcher, or anyone learning research methodology, today's video will make your life much easier. We're breaking down the cross-sectional study, what it is, when to use it, and a simple step-by-step guide to design your own study confidently. What is a cross-sectional study? A cross-sectional study is an observational research design where you measure exposure and outcome at the same time. Think of it as taking a snapshot of a population at one specific moment. You can use it to measure prevalence, describe characteristics of a group, explore associations between variables, but remember, it cannot establish causality, because everything is measured at the same time. When should you use a cross-sectional study? Choose this design when you want to estimate prevalence of a condition or behavior. You need quick and low-cost data. You want to explore relationships, like stress and sleep quality. You don't need follow-up or long-term tracking. Avoid it if your goal is to study incidence, risk, or cause-effect relationships. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Define your research problem. Start with a clear question. Set SMART objectives. To estimate prevalence, to examine associations. Step 2. Identify your population and setting. Define target population, study population inclusion and exclusion criteria. Step 3. Choose descriptive or analytical design. Descriptive, prevalence only. Analytical, prevalence plus associations. This choice affects your sample size and analysis. Step 4. Calculate sample size. You need expected prevalence, confidence level, usually 95%, margin of error, e.g., 5%. Tools: EPI info, Open EPA, or online calculators. Step 5. Select a sampling method. Common options: simple random sampling, systematic sampling, stratified sampling, cluster sampling. Choose the method that gives you the most representative sample. Step 6. Develop your data collection tool. Use validated questionnaires whenever possible. Check for clarity, cultural appropriateness, logical arrangement. Pilot testing. Avoid double-barreled or confusing questions. Step 7. Ethics and data collection procedures. You must obtain ethical approval, provide informed consent, ensure confidentiality, train data collectors, plan how and where data will be collected. Step 8. Plan your data analysis. Before collecting data, decide variables and coding. Descriptive statistics, analytical tests, chi-square, t-test, OR, PR. Software: SPSS, R, Stata. Set your significance level, usually 0.05. Step 9. Conduct the study during data collection. Monitor response rates, check completeness, ensure consistency. Afterward, clean your dataset before analysis. Step 10. Report using STROBE guidelines. Your final report should include title and abstract, introduction, methods, results, discussion, limitations, conclusion. STROBE helps ensure transparency and quality. Advantages and limitations. Advantages: fast and inexpensive, great for estimating prevalence, useful for planning health services. Limitations: cannot determine causality, risk of selection and information bias, not ideal for rare diseases. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more research and nursing education content. Comment below if you want a video on sample size calculation, questionnaire design, or STROBE reporting. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.